emakhosikazi bantu babenkosi Ndvunankhulu emabandla kweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela la Ndvunankhulu tindvuna tembuso emalunga labamele emave kuleli baqondzisi betindlu totimbili teParlamente nayo yonke iParlamente lo buke sigodzi salapha eshiselweni long Vice Chancellor na long Principal nabo bonke staff lesisebenta lapha nebafundzi nebatali timenyo letibalulekile nanonke bekunene sinvusele eNgwane College bekunene.
Emakhosikazi, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator for the Shiselweni region, the Vice Chancellor of UNESCO, the Ngwane Principal and academic staff, graduating students and parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here at Ngwane Teachers College.
Bekunene kuyindvokoto lenkulu kutsi namuhla silapha eNgwane College la khona sitogubha lusuku lwekuphotfulwa kwebafundzi solo yaqalwa le university njoba lena kungu 39 ceremony or graduation ceremony lesitabe siyenda lokusho kona lo ukuthi njoba lapha kwaqalwa nangikhumbula ngobo 1986 kuqala lo msebenzi weNgwane College sijabula ke kuba nani lapha elangeni lanamuhla kutobusisa lo msebenzi ebekunene.
It is indeed a great joy for us to be here today on the occasion of the graduation, the 39th graduation ceremony of Ngwane Teachers College here at Ngwane College. It is my greatest pleasure indeed to be here as I recall this 39th graduation ceremony follows after the great work started here in 1986. This is a day of triumph and joy indeed as we gather here for this graduation ceremony today.
Langeni lelinjena simukela nonke bekunene batali bafundzi naso sonke sive nalababuya ngaphandle kuleli labakhona lapha kutobusisa lo msebenzi wanamuhla kutsi nonke nitivele nemukelekile bekunene.
On this occasion, I take this opportunity in welcoming you all here gathered in this great momentous occasion. My special welcome goes to also those that are from without our borders who have come to join us here today.
Beani kunene elangeni lanamuhla sitobona bafundzi laba 182 lababonalisa ukuthi namuhla batabe bathola tiqu baphuthula nemsebenzi labayendile lesilapha sitobahalalisela nekubakhusata nekubabongela umsebenzi lomuhle labawendile ebekunene.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, presents to us an opportunity to honor 182 graduates who have tirelessly worked to attain their qualifications that they will be bestowed upon them here today. It is a day to congratulate them and praise them for a job well done.
Bekunene nauva tinombolo letinjena ku education eveni kuyakhutsata kakhulu kubona tinombolo tikhula kakhulu ikakhulu nakukhulunywa ukuthi ku trainwe ama trainees latawuphuma hamba ayofundzisa etikolweni kubonalise ukuthi ngeminyaka inombolo ikhulile letawati ukuthi iphume eveni iyokwati kufundzisa ebekunene.
It is pleasing indeed to see 182 graduates who are poised to join the education sector. It is an important sector in the kingdom, and we are pleased to see growing numbers that are poised to go and enhance and uplift our young people in the kingdom.
Nawubuka sive esigabeni sekuthi banyenti labasha labafika emhlabeni babe khona lokusho kona ukuthi batawubadzinga bothishela labanyenti labatawukwati kuba trainer nembala badoze nabo bakhule kahle kakhulu. Le nombolo ke yanamuhla iyabonakalisa ukuthi ke iyawungetetela esivivaneni esigabeni sekuseni nembala nakukhulunywa ngetemfundo lelinani njoba ngeminyaka nalikhula likhone ukuthi netinombolo tesive lesikhulako esisesisha sikhone ukuthi sikhone ukuthola indlela ngesigaba lesifanele ebekunene.
Our population continues to grow year after year. The growth in numbers of graduates is one that is helping to enable us to teach our children that are being born every year. So this increase of numbers of our graduates is going to ensure that the population that is growing will have teachers and educators ready to elevate them to the expected standards.
Bekunene lo kuthokotisako kuva ukuthi Ingwane College yakhula iyenga nje kuba Ingwane College phela kepha seyiba research center la khona itawubonalisa ukuthi imikhicito yenda yona ngekwayo ibe sustainable ingapheke kuhlala kubuka ukuthi ubatayi niketa imali ibuka tindlela yona ngekwayo ekutheni inga create imali letinjani toze lo msebenzi weNgwane College nawo onke ama programs aqhubeke lokho ke kuyakhuthata kakhulu ukuthi ubone leNgwane College yendi imsebenzi lenjena ebekunene.
It is gratifying to hear that Ngwane College is not just a learning institution, but they have also become a research center where they are also looking at self-sustaining practices that will enable Ngwane College to thrive in these challenging times.
Bekunene sikhutsatwa ngilama programs langenako la college labonalisa ukuthi nasikhuluma ngema trainer ema trainees labonala ukuthi lama programs coverage ema sectors lamanyenti kakhulu labonalisa ukuthi nasikhuluma sustainability event noma ku institution ngona latsingekako kakhulu elawo ma programs bekunene.
I am encouraged to hear the various new programs that have been introduced in Ngwane Teachers Training College. These diverse programs ensure the growth and ability of the educators that are being trained in this college to go out into the world and transform our young people and our young minds.
Ngako ke kuloko lokwendekako eNgwane College siyakujabulela kakhulu ngoba kuhambisana nalesigaba se-transformation lebesikhuluma ngaso eveni nakusuka umnyaka nje sikhulume eParliament nge-transforma live konke kubonalise ukuthi kuba kulelinye level kuyanyuka sibili nalapha ke eNgwane College kuyabonakala ukuthi lawo ma programs lawo akhona abonakala aphila and futhi ayasebenza lesikukhutsata kakhulu lokho ebekunene.
I am pleased that Ngwane College is taking after the transformation agenda that was announced in Parliament earlier this year. This is indeed important as we strive to become a first world nation that is on the global stage.
Bekunene siyabona ke njoba kwekuthi lapha le institution iyakhula kube nemisebenzi lemisha lebonalako lekubonalisa ukuthi I introduce itokwati ukuthi itokhona kuniketa expertise lengiyo la college kuthi ke tonke leto tinhlelo leto tiyakhutsata kakhulu na utibona tendeka la college futhi ubone newe ukuthi ngeminyaka le college iyakhula ku ngesigaba sakhona bekunene.
I also applaud the new programs and new facilities that have been constructed in this Ngwane Teachers College. These facilities are to enhance the students that will be produced from this college to be better educators who are equal to the challenges of the changing times.
Bekunene kuyabonakala ukuthi Ngwane College ikiso spirit ukuthi njoba itransforma kuba college besiba university nalama qualifications njoba iprogram yasikhomba ukuthi senabo 11 wema PhD nabo 28 wema masters degree la bonakala ukuthi nembala ahambisana naso le spirit seka Khabo University ukuthi sale kuba fully fledged university uthi lemisebenzi lena iyabonakala ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa lapha sibili siyakukhuthatha leyo umsebenzi lenendako lemihle ebekunene.
I must say how pleased am I to note that Ngwane Teachers College is on the path of excellence and in the right path in transforming this college into a university. Hearing of 11 PhDs holders who are educators and lecturers in this institution and 28 master's degree holders also being lecturers of this college shows us clearly that Ngwane Teachers College is on the right path in becoming a university in the kingdom that we can pride ourselves with.
Bekunene njoba nivile namuhla neluhlelo lekwe ukuthi ema programs egu transforma iNgwane College ukuthi be college isota itosaliba university ngalokuphelele lama programs asavele alena ematikweni njoba lithi litiko letemfundo lingacetha naselihlangene nelibandla lonke lecabinet bese nembala kuba kwekuthi lo msebenzi uhlanganiswe kahle be-Attorney General's Office njoba nabo nje basebenza kahle baba in consultation nalaba nale university nale college lena binze babe nema consultations nebe university lekithi konke lokhu kuyakhomba ukuthi i-support nemdlandla lokhona wekunikhuthatha ukuthi live leSwatini lifuna kubona more ema-universities ingabe inye nje kuphela i-university even kepha abamanyenti and masinyane i-university lapha eshiselweni itabi khona bekubene.
As you heard from the various speakers here today on the transformative agenda of transforming this college into the university, we have heard that the cabinet has actually completed their due diligence and all programs needed in ensuring that this institution becomes a university. All that has been handed over to the Agile Attorney General's office, who are tirelessly working to ensure that this institution becomes the dream that we so aspire to have in the Shiseleng region. I am confident as I stand here today that a university is about to appear and manifest here in the Shiselweni region.
Bekunene kube injabulo lenkulu nekuva ukuthi ama lecturers lapha eNgwane College asavele akhulisiwe kakhulu ngedinombolo njoba nje principal abongile kakhulu abongela yona icollege esigabeni sekutheni tonke tinhlelo letibonakalisako ukuthi live lanibambisa tiyabonakala tiyendeka lokho ke kuyinto lenhle kakhulu ngiyakholwa nekwe ukuthi kufaka umhlandla nekunikhuthaza lapha kuqhubeka nekufaka umsebenzi nekufaka amandla kakhulu emsebenzini bekunene.
It has been a joy for me to hear that lecturers have been added into this institution to enable a conducive environment for our students who are here in the college. I do hope and believe that the added lecturers are a great inspiration to all our educators or students who are here in this great college at Ngwane Teachers College.
Nekuva tindzaba letimnanzi kutsi nebafundzi njoba lapha nabo bavakele ngengoma babongela bona bafundzi labanye esigabeni sekutheni bosuka labatawusebenta ngabo basafundza lapha bakhulisiwe esigabeni sekubuka tempilo tenhlala kahle ukuthi nabafundza bafunze kahle kakhulu kwenta umsebenzi wema lecturers ube malula ngoba nawuhleli nebantu bete stress sekwe ukuthi kude lokhu kude naloku kwenta nemsebenzi ukhona kuhamba malula and lokhu ke njoba nangu nibonga kuyakhanya ukuthi umsebenzi lotawusetshenzwa kusukela kulamalanga utaba ngilomhle kakhulu ngoba wonke umuntu u stress free bekunene.
The good news that we heard here today, even pronounced over a song, has been gratifying indeed to learn that the scholarship that is being accorded Ngwane Teachers College has been increased. Indeed, when funds are availed, students become stress-free, and I also believe that the flow of all programs of this institution begin to flow seamlessly because the students and also the organization itself is well funded, and I'm glad to know this, that all these stresses are not found here at Ngwane College.
Bekunene siyathokoza nekuva ngale college nekwekuthi emkhathisini wetimfundo letinye letibeke embili njengoba umhlaba sovele uhamba digital kungenela iICT kubonakala ukuthi leti tabongqondo tihamba embili ngoba vele kulamalanga sekuphila ngato tabongqondo konke lesokwendiwako noma uya kuphi uya kuma industries uya kutekulima uya kuyiphi sector emhlabeni wonke jikelele tabongqondo sethamba embili kakhulu ngaleso sigaba leso ke kumqoka kwekuthi nasifundzako sibe well equipped ngeku understanda tabongqondo kwati ukuthi impilo kulamalanga nakhona bothishela nje ngoba emhlabeni lamanye amave asasebenzisa ema iPad ema computer nemisebenzi seyipresentwa ngekusebenzisa ama iPad na ufake ama programs ufakela abantu abesikole ngilo emva nesikole utaba ne iPad yangakakhe noma bene computer yangakakhe loku transforma live transforme emaswati ukuthi avele abesetulu ku technology bekunene ukuthi nawuva leto tinhlelo leto ukuthi lapha tivele tibekwe embili lokho kuyasikhuthaza kakhulu bekunene.
I am glad to know that Ngwane Teachers College has put technology in the forefront of its education agenda. The global world has embraced IT, and I'm glad that Ngwane Teachers College has also embraced IT, because to date, most of work in advanced nations is presented using tablets and computer and online programs that are geared to enhance learners present their work digitally. I am pleased that in our transformative agenda as a nation, seeing Ngwane College and vision these programs into their curriculum ensures that Eswatini is on the right path and we will continue to flourish as a nation.
Bekunene kulamalanga lengcile besile maveni ngesheya sihambele umsebenzi waka United Nations eMelika ngaphandle kwalomsebenzi waka mhlabuhlangene sibone imisebenzi ema industries especially akale ku high tech industry la khona kungena khona imisebenzi leminyenti bavakele kakhulu laba lesababona esigabeni sekutheni kuta kwabo emaveni bavele iexpectation ibuke kakhulu ukuthi lesive nasifika ku high tech industry si qualified kangakanani batokwati kena nabo ku investor lena nje bekukhona amongst them bekunalaba be space industry labaya bo space libavele bakhuluma ngayo itechnology ukuthi kusebenta yona kakhulu sabona nabo labanye live le UAE la kwaba nesivumelana ukuthi batawu trainer eMaswati ku high tech at no cost njoba bakusho lokho kwaba kuhle kakhulu nawuva onke lawo ma programs kwasignwa netivumelane ukuthi batawu train eMaswati ikakhulu bomake nebantwana ikakhulu kule high tech industry njoba kwadi vele umhlaba ukuthi umhlaba vele so ubhekele kumquka ke ukuthi silive singema institutions la njenge Ngwane College siqale thine kuma humble beginnings kubonakalise ukuthi noma sebafika labafikako bakhanze ukuthi ema programs noma tinhlelo lesitibambile divele in line naleso spirit lekwanjwa ngaso ebekunene.
Just recently, I've returned from our overseas engagements on the sidelines of our UN agenda. I had the opportunity to meet high-tech industries in the United States of America, where I met scientists from NASA and Stardust, people who are geared to come and train eMaswati, especially women and children, on various high-tech industries in the kingdom for free. This is happening indeed because as eMaswati, we must be seen leading the cause in the technology industry. But I must say, how glad am I that Ngwane College seems to be one that is already leading the cause in the technology advancement as they have embraced IT here in the kingdom. When all these high-tech industries come into the kingdom, they will find Ngwane College already leading the path.
Bekunene ne kudumisa njoba namuhla kuphenze kube langa la khona sitobusisa lenye i-classroom lapha eNgwane College lelibonalisa ukuthi seltawu trainer esigabeni ele babonalisa ukuthi labatofunza lapha ngilaba kubatekile bakhanze yonke le equipment ledzingekile nalokufanele kukhona ukuthi ke kubonalisa ukuthi sibatraine onke ma members of i society kwathi ukuthi labanye banjena nalabanye banjena bakhaverishe ke bonke kumqoka kakhulu lokho siyadumisa ke ukuthi i college ivele nakhona lapho ilihlahlandlela ukuthi lemsebenzi lena isebenzile and futhi isebenzile kahle kakhulu bekunene njoba namuhla kulilanga naleku busisa lelo classroom ukuthi selitawuvele lisebenze ngokomthetho ebekunene.
I am also here to officially bless a classroom that has been constructed here to enhance learning for students that are living with disabilities in the kingdom. I must say how glad am I that Ngwane College has actually been found as a pioneer in also according those that are from our society who at times are seen probably as marginalized. Those that are living with disabilities will be catered for here at Ngwane College. I therefore would like to also pronounce my blessing over this classroom that has been constructed for this great cause here at Ngwane College.
Bekunene sidumisa nalo libambisano loluhle ngoba umsebenzi lo njena uyudzinge ukuthi kube nokubambisana lapha nalapha lithi live noma lichuba leyo inhlelo kepha ke sibonge ukuthi baba khona nalabanye nabo labajikijele esivivaneni njengoba sivile nje ukuthi le facility lengikhuluma ngayo lama classrooms I micro project njengoba eligatsha lebonasa ukuthi lithunywa live ukuthi lihambe liyosebenza basebenzile kepha ke kwabonalisa ukuthi kunema gadgets la dzingekako atawukhona ukuthi nasikhuluma ngalomsebenzi lama gadgets ngiladzingekile ukuthi nganangabe kude lama gadgets kusho ukuthi kongelele sikwendile akunawo sebenza kahle kepha ke lo ukuthi abe khona lama gadgets njengoba ecom ngibona laba bonalisa ukuthi bangenile kujikijela nabo esivivaneni lo msebenzi lona le classroom fully fledged classroom lelibonalisa ukuthi nasikhuluma ngalabakhubatekile batawukhona nekuhlangana nayo yonke le technology ledzingekile sithi ka sikudumise kakhulu lokho ebekunene.
I would also like to appreciate the collaboration that has been seen in the construction of these great projects. I have heard how micro project has been sent by government to the construction of this great classroom. But that classroom on its own would have not been of great benefit to those that are living with disabilities without the gadgets that have been generously donated by ECOM in the Kingdom of Eswatini that affords them the opportunity to also experience technological advancement in the classroom where they will be learning during their studies here at Ngwane College.
Mekunene nekusho ukuthi utoni kutsata live lisemva kwenu lanisekela la eNgwane College ngitotonke tinhlelo live litawuchubeka linibambise ngiko nje sithumisa nekuva ukuthi timoto lebeti bonalisa ukuthi tiyashoda kubonalisa ukuthi kubonalisa kwema scholarships nako konke lokhu kufaka ema boreholes latawu ngenise mandi la fanele lapha college kutokhonakaliswa ukuthi nakufuneka kuyogezwa kube beti problem noma kufuna kunatha kubonalise ukuthi sikhuluma ngemandi lahlobile njoba ku part of ama sustainable development goals futhi lokho uthi emave onke emhlaba ema institutions abonalise ukuthi nakufikwa kutemandi sesikhuluma ngemandi lahlobile langanathwa noma ngangangibani bekunene lokhu ke kuyathokozisa kakhulu kakhulu ukubona ukuthi yonke lemisebenzi lapha ecollege ngileminye imisebenzi lena live kungasho ukuthi sekuphelele kongene ngoba tinhlelo nitithatha ngetigaba takhona ngeminyaka kuba ukuthi lo nyaka sitawuhlanganisa lokhu lo nyaka eminyakeni lodako kanjalo futhi neminyakeni naleminyakeni leyawuvela tiyabe solothi khona le tinhlelo tekunisekela lapha eNgwane College bekunene.
to support you and to accord you whatsoever you might need. I am aware that as we stand here today, there have been various programs which are not limited to those that I am about to mention here today. Cars have been provided for you here at Wane College, including boreholes and scholarships that have been provided here at Wane College. These boreholes that have been sunk here are well in line with our Sustainable Developmental Goals, SDGs, that enable us to, that compel every nation to provide potable water that is clean for everyone to drink or bath using clean water. So I am glad that every year we continue to roll out programs of support for you here at Wane College. This is not the end of our programs, but we shall annually continue to roll out programs of support for you here at Wane College.
Kubafundi sekubakhuthaza abafundi ukuthi yonke lemisebenzi lemihle yendelwa bona esigabeni sekutheni bakhanze nabafunza lapha impilo ikahle ingasiko lelikhuni sengiko ke ukuthi bafunzi nasebalapha ngoba nebatali na nelive lonke linibukele esigabeni sekutheni nini bafunzi ni vele nitinikele ngesithuba lesifanele esigabeni sekutheni niyafunza nadimisela niyaqetha niyaphuma nawufundisa emaswati lamanye ukuthi ke siyakholwa ukuthi nani seyinsayela ekini lebonalisako esigabeni sekutheni lemisebenzi lemihle nani nibonalise ukuthi leni kwendako nani nenda kona lokuhle ngekutimisela ngekufunza njoba nebatali nelive lonke lani linithumela lapha ukuthi intofunza babheke yini nje into lesibhekile ukuthi naniphuma lapha nonke niphume niphasile into kwathi yobambisa live ebekunene.
I therefore would like to encourage you students to embrace all the support programs that have been brought to your institution here. Parents, guardians, and the nation at large has a great expectation from you as students here in this great college, that you shall dedicate your time to studies and achieve high, excellent results in this very great college. It is for that reason that the nation expects you to do nothing less but the best as you pursue your education right here in this great college.
Bekunene sithatha nalelithuba nekudumisela bonke abafundi namuhla lekubonisa ukuthi Wane College ibabonile esigabeni sekutheni basebenze kahle kakhulu batawuthola wona lawo leto tiqu labatawube batithatha lapha namuhla kubadumisela kakhulu imisebenzi lemihle labayendile bangalali basebenta basebente kahle kuze kufike lelilanga lanamuhla labata uphothulwa khona sithi ke ngilokuhle koloko lenikwendile siyandumisela kakhulu ebekunene.
I will take this time to congratulate all our graduates that have dedicated their time in obtaining the achievements that they shall be accorded with here today. Your times of sleepless nights pursuing your studies is greatly congratulated here today.
Sithumisa nawe ma lecturers lebeka dinike lithuba lelifanele ngemusa lomkhulu kusebenta nani nize nifike kulesigaba ngiyakholwa nabo ukuthi bayajabula kubona imisebenzi labayendile ukuthi bengalahleki nje kepha beyivele ingene emqondweni lofanele njengoba namhla naku sendawuphothulwa bekunene lokho ke sithi asibadumise nabo umsebenzi lomuhle elabawendile bekunene.
I also take this time in congratulating our lecturers for their tireless efforts in molding these future leaders that are going to be graduating here today. We applaud you for a job well done.
Nekudumisa batali tihlobo bonke lebe basupporta ngalesinye isikhathi nawufundzako kuye kube likhuni kumbe kufike nesithuba sekuthi ucabanga nekugive up kepha ke babe khona labatakusupporta kuthi noma ngakunjani ibambe ungagive up. Siyathumisa ke kubatali netihlobo tonke kusibambisa nekusisekela kuze sifike lelithuba leli bekunene nakusasa baqhubeke bende njalo bekunene.
I also would like to thank parents, guardians, and friends for their abiding support that they have accorded all these graduates here today in good and bad times, making sure that they never give up on their studies. This we do applaud you parents for the support that you have given to these graduates up until this far.
Bekunene sengathatha lelithuba nekubonga nato tonke letethulo lendethulile kulelanga namhla nekubonga wonke umsebenzi lewendekile nalaba libebenda wonke umsebenzi usebe impumelelo kuthi siyabonga kakhulu konke lokuhleleni kwendile bekunene.
I would also take this opportunity in thanking you for all the gifts given to us today and also for the preparations and program of the day that has been great indeed.
Nekusho wekuthi lama bafundzi labang 182 le batophothulwa namuhla sibavele babusisiwe ngekwemthetho sibafisela nalokuhle empilweni baqhubeke babonakale ukuthi baphuma eNgwane College noma ngabe sebakuphi baqhubeke bayimelele eNgwane College ngetendo letinhle lapho bayabe bakhona khona bekunene.
I also take this time to declare that the 182 graduates that will be receiving their achievements here today are officially blessed under my hand. And I also take this time in wishing them all the best in their future endeavors, hoping that they will continue to be a good ambassador of this great institution by their good deeds wherever they are and wherever they are found.
Bekunene singalamagama siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu uyawusibusisa sonke bekunene.
With this